Hello, my beautiful friends. Welcome. My name is Christina Marie from BeautyAmaB. I do beauty reviews, tutorials, unboxings, spoilers, and giveaways. We are unboxing the Fab Fit Fun summer box and giving away one of the items to one of you. Don't even know which one yet. I'm going to set this down. This box is kind of heavy. So this is the summer box, as well as I got an add-on of a Fab Fit Fun mystery bundle. I do want to welcome anybody who's new here. Thank you so much for checking us out. For all my return subscribers, you know I love spoiling you guys. Every month I try and do an eyeshadow palette giveaway. For the month of May, it is the ColourPop in a Trance palette. Such a pretty palette. Look in the description box down below under current giveaways. It talks about how to enter this one. This one is mine. I do have a brand new one for you. Giveaways are really easy. Be subscribed to the channel. Watch the videos in their entirety. Somewhere in today's video is going to be a secret word that you're going to need to know for today's giveaway. So if you haven't subscribed yet, I invite you to do so. If you can hit that bell button, mark it to all, and if you're on a mobile device, go into your settings, mark those. I really want you guys to know when I upload. Definitely want you guys to know when I do giveaways, because I do them a lot here on the channel. If you can hit that like button and leave a comment and let me know how you guys are doing. Let me know how your spring is going. Mine is going pretty good. I was like super busy, like to the point of exhaustion busy. And now it's finally starting to die off a little bit, and it'll die off until like about the 1st of June, and then it'll go pick up, and then it'll die off towards the end of July, until July, because I might be going to Montana in July too. And then there's this huge International Basque Festival at the end of July as well. As far as what is on my eyes today is the Violet Voss Fruit Sorbet Fruit Salad Palette. Looks like this. Really pretty. So Fab Fit Fun is beauty, makeup, skincare, lifestyle type items, fitness type items, good for you type items. I do have starter boxes to give away. How the starter boxes work is, if you haven't signed up for Fab Fit Fun before, you can give me your name and email address. I'll send that off to Fab Fit Fun. Fab Fit Fun will send you an email, say, hey, Christina recommended you for a starter box, and you get at least $75 worth of product in there. All you have to do is pay for shipping to get that. And you basically sign up for the service, but you do have 21 days to cancel it. This is my longest subscription box. I've had it forever. I absolutely love it. So the first item that I got in my box is a Glow Recipe Blackberry Retinol Blemish Serum. It does retail for $48. What they say about it is their new skincare secret is out. They're obsessed with the Glow Recipe Blackberry Retinol Blemish Serum, and for good reason. It's a triple retinol serum that unclogs pores, minimizes blemishes, and while smoothing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, mine are starting to get really pronounced out here. It's a powerful yet gentle retinoid blend that maximizes the clarifying, resurfacing benefits of retinoids, plus it's infused with hydrating extracts that soothe the skin. Don't forget, one of these items we're giving away to one of you guys. From African Botanics is a Stretch Mark Botanical Body Oil. I don't know about you, but after giving birth to my son a long time ago, I still have stretch marks. And he has them on his back. He grew, like, I think his sophomore year in high school, 6 inches. And so, yeah, he's got stretch marks on his back. You guys, this retails for $100. Elevate your body care routine with this potent reparative body treatment for dry, dehydrated skin. The Stretch Mark Botanical Body Oil contains cold-pressed oils of marula, jojoba, avocado, mongogo, and rosehip to soften and moisturize the skin. Marula helps regenerate and repair the skin, while jojoba protects the skin barrier. Neroli and grapefruit de-stress and invigorate the senses. I don't know about you, but lately I've been having way more sunglasses than what I need. I have some that I go like for like camping or up to the cabin or out in the woods. And those aren't my prescription ones. I have a couple pair of prescription glasses. And so maybe I'm just a hoarder of sunglasses. So I thought this was a great idea. And it takes up less space than having those things all around. So this is the Seneca sunglass holder, retails for $52. This accessory is the ultimate companion for anyone who loves their shades, offering 3 dedicated compartments to keep your favorite sunnies safe and secure. Crafted with a soft microfiber lining, it protects your glasses from scratches while adding a touch of luxury to your travel essentials. This would be perfect, like if you had a couple different styles that you want to take with you on vacation. The snap closure ensures everything stays in place, and with a convenient top loop for easy hanging, it's perfect for summer travels. And there you go. Just put 3 of them in there and then just fold it all up. Cute. From First Aid Beauty, we have a whole body deodorant cream. It does retail for $20. Keep your freshness on point with First Aid Beauty's whole body deodorant. This sweat activated cream is packed with odor fighting AHAs to target odor right away at the source, ensuring you stay confidently fresh throughout the day. With a refreshing citrus scent and an aluminum-free formula, it's gentle on your skin while delivering 24-hour odor control. This innovative deodorant cream is perfect for those who want to feel dry and rejuvenated, making it a staple in your daily routine. Oh, and you guys, just a reminder, like we are so close to hitting our next subscriber milestone, and there's going to be some big items in that, like 2 subscribers away. So we are like very, very close. So if you can help us out with that, that would be great. So here is our spare change. It is a floral cuff. It does retail for $62. So it is adjustable. This 14 karat gold plated cuff features charming floral textures that elevate any outfit. It fits seamlessly into any look, whether you're running errands on the go, enjoying brunch, or having a night out with friends. From Color Wow is a pop and lock high gloss finish, retails for $24. Something to brighten up these grays would be great, because they can get a little dull looking, even if I am using the purple shampoo. This ultra light non-greasy glossing serum combines the nourishing benefits of an oil with shine power of a serum, delivering a sparkling high gloss finish that helps temporarily seal soft ends and smooth frizz. With 3 levels of heat protection and UV defense, it's perfect for all hair types. Let's see, like if I just take a little bit, like right here, does it make it shine? I think so. What do you think? Is this shinier than the rest? I think so. What do you think? Yes, no, maybe so. So it was, we still have our mystery bundle to go, but it was an okay box. It wasn't anything that extremely wowed me, if that makes any sense. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments down below. So the box total was $299. That is obviously more than you pay for a whole year of your service. If you're going to use all the items in here, it makes it a good deal. So let's get into the mystery bundle items. I can't wait. I did pay $19.99 for the 3 mystery bundle items combined. I wish there was a way to tell that FabFitFun can say, hey, I already sent this in a mystery bundle before, so let's not send it again. FabFitFun, you're listening, that would be my recommendation. I've already gotten these from you. They're great, but I don't need another pair. There are actually more than a pair. How many of them are here in here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 pairs of ankle socks in here. From Summer and Rose. They retail for $19.99. They're really good socks. I just don't need a whole another 5 pairs of them. From Innisfree is a Retinol Cica Focusing Patch. Does retail for $3. There are dissolving microneedle patches infused with retinol, silica, and hyaluronic acid that delivers smoothing spot care for troubled areas. What is this? There's no markings anywhere on the box. What is this? A Deny Cupcake Maker. What? Retails for $49.95. And bake cupcakes in minutes. You can even whip up muffins, egg bites, deep dish pizzas. The possibilities are endless. It'd be little tiny cupcakes, but there you go. You can do egg bites. It's about the perfect size for egg bites, but it would definitely be mini cupcakes because these, yeah, I don't know about all this. I've also had definitely better mystery bundles by far as well. Sometimes they're really good. Other times they're kind of like, what in the world? So the total of those was $77.94. You only spent $19 on them if you're going to use them. I don't know. I already have the socks. Let's give away the socks and that Innisfree retinol focusing patch to one of you guys. So one winner will receive both of these items. Secret word of the day is Mother's Day, because we have Mother's Day approaching. Be nice to your moms out there. Connor, don't forget about your mom. In the description box down below is a Google form. Make sure to fill it out. Only fill it out once. But you can mark on it if you did do the bonus entries. Only mark on it if you actually did, because I do check and I don't want to see you guys get disqualified. So your 2 ways for bonus entries are: number 1, if you follow me on Instagram, that handle is BeautyAmaB, followed by the letter B. Your second way is if you share this with family, friends, social media accounts. It's a way that really helps grow the channel, and I wanted to reward you guys and say thank you so much for doing so. YouTube is no way affiliated with this. This is me giving back to you to brighten somebody's day, and you must be 18 years old or older or have your parents' permission to enter. The giveaway is open internationally. I am then not responsible for duties, taxes, fees, lost in transit, damaged, anything extra for it to get to you, and make sure that giveaways are legal in your country. So let's have the giveaway go through June 6th, midnight Mountain Standard Time, and then after that, what I will do is I will take, if everybody's done what they're supposed to be doing, from the Google Forms, first name, first initial, the last name, and the bonus entries, if everybody's done what they're supposed to be doing there, I'll put those in the computer. The computer spins all the names around, the computer picks, I don't, so don't ask to win. And then as soon as the giveaway is over, I do go ahead and delete all those forms. Your privacy is very important to me. I don't sell it, I don't share your information, I don't collect distribution lists, I don't do anything like that. So if you like the video, give it a big like. It really helps out the channel when you do. YouTube will now go ahead and insert another video for you. If you have the time, I'd greatly appreciate you checking it out. Have a beautiful rest of your day. Stay safe, take care of yourselves, take care of one another, and I will see you soon. Good luck in the giveaway. Bye. Woo!